welcome to Craft Little Things. I'm Andrea, and I've received my paper pumpkin kit from Stampin Up. Now, Paper Pumpkin is kind of a subscription service kit that comes from Stampin Up each month, and it's not available anywhere, I don't think, except the USA. It might be available in Canada, I'm not sure, but anyway, it's definitely not available in the UK. But this month, for 1 month only, I think, it is available in the UK, and so we've been able to get our hands on a Paper Pumpkin kit. And this one is designed by Shelli from Stampin Up, and it's called Hugs from Shelli, May 2019, and it comes in this gorgeous box, and I think it's 20 quid, it is £20. It's available while stocks last. And yeah, you can finally sample a Paper Pumpkin kit in the UK. So look at this gorgeous box. It's absolutely gorgeous. Lovely box. And inside we have an exclusive stamp set. Now this stamp set only comes with the Hugs from Shelli kit. You can't get it. I'll try and move it out of the way. Maybe you can see. Well, you can't get it anywhere else, and it's got a few little bits and bobs in it. It's got some birds, some feathers, some flowers, little dots, grateful, hello, love for you, dear friend, thank you, hugs, and then there's an ampersand there as well. So that's a nice little useful set. It also comes with an early espresso Stampin' Spot, so that's a miniature ink pad. You can buy these Stampin' Spots and ink them up yourselves if you want to use them at classes or give them as gifts or whatever. So there's that. I think I've got early espresso, so I'm probably using that. And it's got this gorgeous tissue which coordinates with the front of the box. It's in, I don't know, I think it might be Grapefruit Grove, the colour. And then inside you have your actual card kit. Now these are card kits, and so they come with all you need to make a set of cards. This is just to make crafting easy for everybody and accessible. Great to give as a gift, great to just build up some cards to put in your stash or to use for charity or whatever you want to use them for. I'm just gonna, I actually gave one of these away to one of my customers yesterday, so there is this mini kind of unboxing on my Crafty Little Paper Things Facebook page, and I thought I'd do a proper unboxing here. So in this kit then, we've got, what shall I start with? The envelopes. So we've got lots of envelopes, 12 envelopes I think it is. We've got the blue with the feather on, and the blue with the flower on. So I'm guessing there's 3 of each, is there? Yeah. And then we've got the pink with the flower on, and the pink with the birds, little bird's nest on. That's cute. So we've got those. Then we've got our card blanks. We've got the blue with, I think this is balmy blue. I don't know if it says. I think there's some instructions, so it might say in the instructions what colour everything is. I don't think it says what colour everything is. No, but I think this is probably balmy blue. So there's the birds and flowers blanks. And then there's like that script and splodges blanks. They're nice. Move those out of the way. Then we've got the floral blanks, the bird's nest blanks. So there's 1, 2, 3. Yeah, there's 3 of each design of those as well. So they're really lovely. And also a good idea, because you can stamp straight onto your card bases like has been done here, and that's a good way to start off a project. And then there's vellum feathers, push out feathers. There's some die cut pop out flowers, and then there are some toppers here for sentiments. They're beautiful. You've got medium, large and small ones of those, so that's quite handy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually make a card. Yeah, sorry, I forgot to show you what was in the accessories pack. We've got 2 twines here. We've got a lovely velvet ribbon. Can't get my words out. It's a good meter with that there. And we've got some little swallow charms, some dimensionals and some glue dots. So I'll get all of those out so I can make the card. I need 2 pieces of the ribbon. And then, oops, I'm just going to stamp it on there. And then I'm going to take this. And then I'm going to use some dimensionals and just pop it on there. And then I'm just going to take this little bunch of flowers. Oh, I should have stamped another one of those there. It's too late. See that until it's the end. I can still get another one on. So I'm just stamping that again. And put it down there this time. Goes on there, and then just to get a little glue dot. There we go. Really simple and beautiful card. And then I'm going to just do this one quickly. So I'm just going to burnish this. I don't think there's any stamping to do on this one other than the hello friend. Take this out, get rid of that. This is just hello friend, so you can either just stamp this up. You could put it on the pad together if you wanted. Put that there, and then the friend is obviously on the dear friend stamp. So you could cut that so it's just it's 2 stamps, or you can just put half a stamp on. And then you have the hello friend. And then what you want to do is grab that, grab some of your twine, which is going to go around a couple of times. This is a lovely twine. And then we're just going to bring it up. Just going to stick it there, and then I'm going to get the little swallow that I kept out. I think I kept one out. I thought I kept one out. Oh, there it is. Little swallow and a glue dot. Put that cute little swallow up there, and that's that. So that's 2 of those beautiful cards. So easy to make.